Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is Olympiad question simplified 2 to the power 22 and 3 to the power 33. So I can write this equation in this way: 2 into 2 square 2 to the power 11 into 2 into 3 to the power 11 into to the power 3 means 33 means 3 into 11, so 2 to the power 11 into 2, so it can be written as 2 square to the power 11 into 3 cube to the power 11. So a to the power m to the power n equals to a to the power mn. This is the process. So I can write a to the power n to the power m. So this way we can write, so 4 into 4 to the power 11 into 27 to the power 11. So we can write 108 whole to the power 11. So this is my answer. Thanks for watching. I hope that you can understand my total work. 2 square is equal to 4 and 3 cube is equal to 27, and 27 into 4 is equal to 108.